Hello, Dr. Mousette here, and today I am going to tell you very specifically how to clean the filter in a washing machine. This one's a BOSCH. Okay, so without further ado, let's get to it. Now, as we look inside, the filter is located at the bottom of the machine. So the way to get to it is just remove the straw, like so. Okay, pull it out. Here it is. The filter is at the bottom here. The filter is this round thing here. Now to get to it, the easiest way is just to remove the sprinkler, this bit. So just pull that out and you've got full access to the filter. Now you turn that anti-clockwise and simply pull it out. Take it to the sink. Now it does come apart. This bit here pulls off. Okay, and as you can see, it's pretty manky. You can see all the bits of grease building up here, and this bit all needs cleaning out. It's a bit of a mess. I've seen worse, but it's a bit of a mess. Now when you clean it out, you can quite simply use, I just use a washing up brush and scrub it down with washing up liquid, and you'll get all kinds of gunk out of it, like bits of hair and fluff and food and all kinds of stuff. But when you're done and you've cleaned it all out, you simply put it back together the same way you took it apart, push that down, take it to the machine, slot it in as so, turn so that these two buttons line up, put the sprinkler back in, put the drawer back in, and you're good to go. You have a clean filter.